Yes, good morning students. So today we are going to see another one experiment here. So that is in the simulation using NCTUNS. The aim of the experiment here is that you have to simulate different types of the internet traffic. Okay. So here they are given the two type of a traffic which you have to create over the network. Okay, and then you have to analyze the throughput. So one is the FTP, another one is the telnet. Okay. So you have to create a first FTP traffic and analyze what is the throughput will be there. Then you have to create a telnet and then analyze what is the throughput is there. Okay, so here I'm going to use the network that is building that particular network. Okay, so here I'm going to use the nodes. Okay, 1, 2, and this 2 is going to connecting to the hub. Okay, and then I'm going to use one switch here, then use another one hub here, and then use a computers. Okay, then establish all these here by choosing the link. Okay, and then establish a connectivity. Okay, so here we have created this particular topology. Now click on the edit, choose a file name. Okay, so already it is in our folder slash, that is a user local NCTUNS tool, and next one is a CN lab. Okay, so in this I am going to give the name exp. Okay, so that is a 5.tpl topology. Click on the save button. Okay, now here we are going to send this information from this node 1 to node 6. Okay, so you just check out what is the IP address of this node 6, that is a 1.0.1.4. okay, so we have to use this IP address in the command when you are going to typing it into the node 1. Okay, now click on the node 1. Okay, double click on the node 1, click on the add button, add the command. So here we are going to first do the FTP here. So FTP topic we are going to create. So the port numbers here, it is used for FTP is port number 20 or the 21. You can use it for the FTP. Okay, so here I am going to type the command. So that is a TCP. So this is a TCP connection here. Okay, TCP hyphen P. Okay, the next one is port numbers. Here I am going to use it as a 21 hyphen L. Okay, the size of that is 1024. Okay, and what is the destination machine? 1.0.1.4. Okay, you just check the command STCP. Okay, hyphen P, port number this is 21 I have used, hyphen L, size here 1024, the size of the data, the packet transfer 1.0.1.4. This is the destination IP address. Now click on the browse. Okay, select the file name experiment5.tpl. click on the open button. Okay, now go to the node editor, click on the MAC layer. Okay, so as you are connected to the there is a hub, so that's why it is going to showing it as a half duplex. Okay, so here you are going to check what is the outgoing packets, that is the throughput. You are going to check kilobytes per second of outgoing packets. Okay, click on the OK button, click on the OK. Now come to the receiver side here, click on the add. Okay, so here what you are going to do, here you are going to add RTCP command, okay, hyphen P. What is the port number? So port number we used is 21 hyphen L 1024, the size 1.0.1.4. no, only you have to give that size. Okay, RTCP-P port number you have to give, and what is the size? -L1024. Okay, then click on the browse button, experiment5.tpl, open, click on the OK button, go to the node editor, click on the Mac here. Okay, log file statistics which you wanted to analyze. So this is the incoming packets you wanted to analyze here. So that is the throughput of incoming packet, that is in kilobyte per second. Click on the OK button. Okay, this is OK. Okay, now you have typed the command here, just see it here. Here you have typed the command STCP-P, port number is 21, and this is the destination IP address 1.0.1.4. Okay, see, this is the IP address 1.0.1.4. Now click on the R, yes. Okay, now go to the menu bar, simulation, run. Okay, now here it is that it is going to start the simulation. Okay, now the simulation is started here. Okay, so as you know that we have changed that the simulation time up to that particular the 1000 seconds. Okay, it will going to run up to that, so that much of time it is going to take. Okay, so otherwise we are going to stop it here only. So we'll check it out. Okay, simulation is done, file transfer are about to begin. Click on the OK. Okay, file transfer is done. So it will take some time for the completion of the simulation here as per the configuration of your system. That's clear. So based on that, so once your file transfer are done, click on the OK button. Okay, now you just see it here, there is a red line, that much of that the simulation here we have started. Now you just see it here. See, this is the simulation is started. Now the information is transmitting from node 1 to node 6. Now one thing you just see it here, data is also received by node 2 here in this side, and data is also received by the another one node, that is in node 7 also on this side. This is because of that the node 1 and 2 is connected to the hub. Okay, and node 6 and 7 also connected to the hub. As you know that hub is going to work on a broadcast model. So the nodes which is going to connected to the hub, everyone is going to receive the information, but only the node to whom that packet belongs to, that node is going to accept it. Others are going to simply discard the packets. They are not going to accept. You just see the X mark over there. Is clear in between. So that node 2 and node 7 are going to discard it, but the nodes whichever is connected to this network, everyone is going to receive the data. Okay, so this is here the transmission. And if you want to see the graph here, so okay, so if you want you can go for plot the graph here. Okay, file, open. Okay, what is that? Experiment5 dot results. Okay, so what is the output throughput? Okay, what it is transmitting? See here, this is the one file in new graph 1. Okay, you just put it on this side, file, open. This is the input throughput. Okay, so you just see it here. This is the output throughput and this is the input throughput. You can see it in the graph also. How the data is transmitting by the node 1, this is going to be showing it in the first graph, and data is going to be received by the node 6. Is it clear? So this is the graph here online which you people are able to give this particular the graphs. Okay, see the data is going to be transmitting. So this is waiting over there, that is in terms of the bytes which it is going to be transmitted. So once your simulation is going to complete, then the last according to the value, okay, so it is going to show you the final graph. That is for the number of seconds which you have executed, what is the output throughput and what is the input throughput. Okay, stop the simulation here. Okay, see, this is the final graph. This is based on the value. Okay, this is the graph of that is output throughput, and this is the graph how it has been received on the receiver side. This is the input throughput graph. So this is we have completed about the first one traffic, that is after FTP. The same thing here we have to do it for the telnet here. Okay, so for that particular telnet, what you have to do is that, okay, so you just change the port number or the execution. Okay, you go to the edit mode here, to this modify the command. Instead of that 21, you give the port number. Any port number you are going to use, that is telnet. Here you are going to using the 7300 as the port number. Click on the OK button, and here also I am going to modify the port number, that is from FTP port number 21 we have used. So here I am going to use a telnet 7300. Okay, now here I am going to change the simulation time. Setting, you go to the simulation. Instead of that 1000, you just make it to 10 seconds. That is enough. Okay, or yes.
Okay, once this simulation is going to be completed, so now we are going to see that how it is going to be viewed. Okay, so I'm going to show it here.
You know, the simulation is completed for the telnet traffic. Now we just click on the play button here. So just see it here. Now the traffic is moving here. Okay, so now the information is moving from node 1 to node 6. Okay, now we are going to plot the graph of what is for the output throughput and input throughput. That is Experiment5 results. So this is the output throughput. Open. So file name graph 1. Open, that is the input throughput. Okay, so if you want you can play it once again. So you are going to yes, see it here.
Okay, in this way we have executed the both the traffic here. One is FTP, that is a file transfer protocol. Another one is the telnet. Okay, so with the help of this sensitiveness, you can design the topology, and then you can run it. Okay, so you can analyze the data. So this completes the experiment. Okay, thank you.